The reason for this is so that we could do the pocket, but when we do the lace, no, not the lace, the quilting and the pickup on the top layer, it's going to be easier to weave because we're weaving it on the top. And we can still turn a pocket and have the pocket in front. So that's why we do the pocket upside down. And so it takes a little bit of playing around to do it. So I undid to the hem stitching, and we'll see how much I need to alter to make it follow the instructions we needed. So I started out following instructions that I wove just the plain weave to hem stitch so that it's closed at the bottom. And then we wove the 2-4 pocket in a tubular so that we would have this pocket with the close at the end. And I put a little contrast of color in there. We wove up a little bit on the back, and the back is actually where we want to do the hem stitching. The bottom, we do 2 separate layers so that we've got that to turn under. We cut off the lower end, leaving 4 times the width so that we can hem stitch. And this is another one of those where hem stitching on the bottom is not that easy, so we'll leave it here to hem stitch when it comes off the loom. And then we're going to need to weave several repeats. We'll get that number. You've got it on here. Cut off the lower, leaving 4 times the weaving width. Hold 2 and 4 up and hem stitch the lower edge, or leave the hem stitching for later, which is much easier. And then we're going to continue weaving on the upper layer for 20 shots. And so because I was a little quick on the draw, I cut the wrong layer. So we're going to have that little repair to do, but we're just going to weave the upper layer, which is the 2 and 4. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, messy repair, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, this is entertaining. Counting is the hardest part when I do the weaving. You think I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but not always. So we have woven this single layer here